Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today we are unboxing a trunk by Nordstrom's Trunk Club. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of my trunk by Nordstrom Trunk Club. This is a styling service I really like. There's also quite a few items in Trunk Club, so I went ahead and I unwrapped them because in their trunk they always come wrapped in plastic, and I got them out, and we're just going to dive right into the items right now. So we're going to start off with this really cute blue maxi dress. I love this, and I wondered when I saw it in the preview if I should go. Actually, I didn't wonder that. I wondered when I unboxed if I should have moved up to a size large because I saw it was a medium, and I thought, oh boy, that's going to be too tight. You know what? It's not. It feels very comfortable. I still have movement around my hips. You can wear a bra underneath it. I love this blue color, and I love these types of dresses because you just pull them over your head and you're dressed and done for the day. I would add a belt if I was going out somewhere, but for banging around the house, I would wear it just as is. So there it is, nice little scoop neck. Let me show you the back. But I like this one, and if the price is right, I will probably keep it. Additionally, I am wearing these slides by Camuto. They've got the braided toe, I'll show you, and a square toe also. Let me show you. These are really in style right now, these braided type sandals. Square toes are also in style. Square toes can be challenging for me. They often make my foot look bigger, but I think these are perfectly fine, and they have a little bit of a block heel. Also have a pair of white sandals down there that, quite frankly, I've been wearing around the house a little bit already just to see if they're very comfortable, and I like those too, so this could be a hard decision to make, but I could use another pair of sandals, at least one. So, and Camuto, you know they're not going to be cheap. Also, got this little bag. I asked her to please include a bag for me that was $125 or less. I think it was my second Trunk Club unboxing. They sent me beautiful House of Want bag. It was a patent leather, quilted. Absolutely love that thing. The magnetic clasp keeps coming open. It's making me nuts. So I said, can you try and send me another bag? And this is what she sent. It's an adorable bag. It's got the little handles. It's got a removable strap. It's a gray that has a green tinge to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like, it's a green leaning gray. And on the inside, it's just open in the middle, but there is a space for just off to the side where you can, you know, slide a comb or something in there. I wish it had more compartments, but what I really wish is it was twice as big, because for my everyday bag, this is just not big enough. It's beautifully made, and if I remember correctly, the price on this is $138. So let's talk about these items real quick. We have got the Sleeveless Maxi Dress by Caslon in blue. This one's $39. Wow. That's great. I'm keeping this. I'm guessing that's on sale, but I will put all the prices in the drop-down box below for you so that you guys can ask your stylist if you want something in your Trunk Club box, or you can just try and find it yourself online. But I will also put if it's on sale, so you can look down there and check and see if this one's on sale. But I like this. I don't know if you remember from a Front Door Fashion, my most recent one, I had a black maxi dress that I absolutely love, and so I'm going to keep this because I will wear this a lot. One and done dressing, absolutely love it. And then we've got the Sydney zip top crossbody bag by Madewell. It's called green, which would explain the green tint, and it is $138. So that's going to go back. And the Camuto Centera block heel slide sandal at $98.95. Little bit pricey. I know Camuto is a good brand. I may eliminate that just based on the cost of other things in this box, but let's get on to the next thing and see what else we've got here. I don't think I mentioned this on the intro. With Trunk Club, they send you a preview with 10 different items, and you can reject things and then they can fill back in, or they can just send it as is without the items you didn't want. And you also get the option to choose up to 3 additional items to go with the things that are coming in your trunk. And so I chose those black shoes as an additional. I think it was my only additional thing. So that was not the stylist choice, but you get some options and you can substitute things into for different pieces that the stylist has chosen. Okay, so we are on to the next 3 pieces. We've got this really cute little white tank. I just pushed my bra straps off and down, so if it's looking a little lumpy, that's what it is. It's not the tank. And it has a button down front and a tie front. I love the color. Let me show you from the back. I think this is a good looking little tank. My only problem with it is that it's pulling a little bit across the middle. I probably could use it bigger through the middle, maybe. I don't know. I would just always be self-conscious of that. So now we're on to the shorts. These are the same brand of shorts that came in my last trunk, only those were black, and she knew I liked them real well, so she sent me another pair. I think that was a good call, honestly. I think sometimes with Trunk Club, when they do this, they'll send you a different color of something that you've liked, or they'll send you 2 of the same thing in the same box. And sometimes I think that's kind of cheating. But in this case, I'm glad she did, because I really liked those shorts. And I have 2 pairs of shorts at this point, so this would increase my short wardrobe by 50% because I'd have 3. So I'm not against the idea of getting these. I just need to look and see everything that I'm thinking about getting from this and make some decisions from there. And then we've got these little white slide sandals, which I am really liking. I've been wearing these around the house to make sure that they are comfortable, and they are. The bottom is a little bit cushy. There's a little bit of arch support in there, although not enough for me. My arches are a little bit higher than that, but I like these, and they're really in style, and I really only have 1 pair of flat sandals at this point, and they're brown and white. So I think a pair of whites would do me a lot of good. Let me show you. That's the top of them. Aren't they cute? The brand on these, Steve Madden. So I really like them. Let's take a look at prices on these items. Let me find those. Here we go. And again, all of this will be listed down below. So we've got the Absolution denim shorts by Witten Wisdom. Witten Wisdom is a brand that fits me great. It's really good with us curvy girls where there is a really big waist to hip ratio. These are $58, and that's exactly what I paid before, not surprised. The Paisley slide sandal by Steve Madden. These are size 11. The color is called beige, $79.95. They are kind of an ivory, an off-white. And then the tie front cotton blend tank by Caslon in pink. This is $39. That's a good price too. Okay, let's put another top on. I want to apologize for holding my microphone on this one. I'm not sure what will happen if I hook it up here near my neck. So we're gonna get a look at it while I wing it with the microphone. So this is the Treasure and Bond shirred sleeveless top in ivory, size medium. It is $49. There are many things to like about this. Very comfortable through the bust line, and I think it's not unflattering through the bust line. I like the length. It has a hook and eye closure back here that is actually really easy to work, which often they aren't. And I think it would work equally good tucked out or in. And also there's plenty of coverage under the arms, and you can hide your bra strap under there with no problem. I could see this working well, like I'm wearing it with shorts, with a pair of dress slacks and a blazer. It's a versatile little top. I don't like the roughly neckline up here on me. I've never felt like these were particularly flattering. Not real sure how I feel about shirring up this high. What do you guys think? And I'm not wild about the color. So this is going to be a no for me, but it might be a yes for you. So check the drop down box for the description. Okay, let's find something else to put on. All of these tops I'm wearing with that 1 pair of shorts because it's the only bottoms that were included in the box. I guess I could slide on a pair of jeans of my own, but I think they're working just fine. So we'll just go ahead and stick with these throughout the last 3 tops here. So I really like this top, this bright pink color. I absolutely love it. Makes me happy. It's a cheerful color, and I think it's absolutely great for summer. I'm liking the little V neckline. Let's see what it looks like in the back. So normally I would probably wear this tucked in, but it looks pretty good out too. It's kind of a slubbed satin. It has a little bit of a, it's a satin, but it's not one of those shiny, smooth satins. It's got a little tiny bit of texture to it. It covers a little bit longer in the back to kind of cover your bum, a little bit of room through there. I think it looks great out. I think this is a really cute little top. Again, could dress it up or dress it down. And I'm wearing it with the Sperry's. Not sure I would wear it like this in real life, but I wanted to show you the shoes. This is the first pair of Sperry's I've ever tried on. And I usually have a real problem with my feet in really flat shoes, tend to make them look big. I don't think these look big. Also, these are comfortable. And you know what? Up until this point with Nordstrom Trunk Club shoes, I've absolutely nothing has worked. Nothing has worked. This time they send me 3 pairs of shoes that are comfortable and fit. So, oh boy, because that can really add up. And I'm liking some of the clothes too, but I like these. I'll take them off and show you a little bit of detail. They're cute. They're laced up, but you know, they've got the little toggles here that keep it from going through so you can actually slide the shoe on. I really like these. The stylist and I went back and forth just a little bit about, she had included another pair of shoes that I knew wouldn't be flattering on my foot, and she said, would you like a more athletic shoe? So I tried to describe to her what I wanted. This is what she sent, and I think she did a great job with it. Okay, so let's see here. This is the Rumpled Satin Blouse by Vince Camuto, size medium. It's $59. So for Vince Camuto, that's pretty much par for the course on price. And these are the Sperry Topsider Crest Vibe slip-on sneaker in black. These are only $59.95. That's really good. What am I gonna do? There's so many good deals, I may not be able to afford to save all this money. All right. Oh, I've got another top. Next up is this beautiful green short sleeve top by Cece. This is the puff sleeve crepe top in green. It is $59. I really like this. It definitely has a crepe feel to it. I like many things about it. Look at the sleeves. I'm always a sucker for a puff or interesting sleeve. So this, I just really like this. The length I think is really good. It's this same length all the way around. I'll show you. There we go. I'm always afraid when I hold the microphone like this as I move it that it's getting louder and quieter as I talk. So please forgive me if that's the case. I like the color. Sometimes these really high necks aren't flattering with my bust because it's like there's nothing to break up the line from here to there, and it can make me look like my bust is lower than it really is. So I'm not crazy about that. And then again, here we are with the high ruffled neckline. But here's the ultimate reason why I couldn't keep this top. I'm weird about high necks anyway if they're at all tight, and this one actually is resting. It's almost pulling against my neck, and I feel like my trachea is being compressed a little bit, and I feel like I'm choking. So honestly, I can't get this thing off fast enough. It's a beautiful top, but this is not gonna work for me, but it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, one more top. Last item in the trunk is this pink floral top. We've got some elastic here on the inside of the shoulders to help it, you know, give it some nice fit. It's a square neckline, but almost a sweetheart cut. There are buttons down the front, and look, it's not gaping. That's really cool. The length is a little bit higher. It could be tucked, but I think it would pop out if it was. So I don't think a front tuck, it's kind of like a moot point. And here's the back. The plastic piece that keeps it together on the hanger that stretches across is right there. So if you see that, that would come off if I was to purchase the top. But it's cute. It's and perhaps it could be pulled off shoulder. I don't know. It does have elastic around the sleeves. It's a cute top. I'm wondering though if it doesn't look a little bit matronly on me between the print and the cut. So I'll have to look at footage back, but I don't think I would keep this, but doesn't mean I don't think it's a really cute top. This is the Daily Floral Button Front Blouse by Sanctuary in pink, size medium, and this one is $89. I think the price alone for me is going to throw it out of the running because there's so many other things I like in this box. So let's talk about that. Again, with Nordstrom, typically shoes have not worked well for me. This time I like 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. They're all comfortable. They all fit. They all are stylish, and I could use every single one of them. But the combined price, I think, is just going to mean I'm going to have to figure out what I want to do. My favorite is the white sandal. And I also think the white sandal is probably the one I would wear the most. But these Sperry's are $60. Is that typical? I don't know anything about Sperry's. But I think these could be used for quite a bit too. And of course, you can always use a black slide with a little bit of a heel. So, what do I do? The shorts, the other items, I'm thinking about keeping the shorts. I think the shorts are going to stay here. And then I'll probably, I may not be done with shorts because that'll bring me up to 3 pairs, but at least I won't feel, like I'm spending the entire summer in just 2 pairs of shorts. So I think I will keep those. The other items I'm considering, we've got the bright pink top. This is absolutely beautiful. I would take it up and look at wardrobe needs with that. And the dress, I'm pretty sure the dress is staying. I've just got to do some overall math. And take that into consideration and then take a good hard look at my wardrobe. I always sleep on it overnight. That always helps me if I sleep on it to make my decisions on, because I start thinking about, oh, I already have something like that, or you know what you really could use, and it helps me to feel better about my choices, because this one could get really pricey. That is Nordstrom Trunk Club for the month of June. Thank you very much for spending a little bit of your time with me to see what's in this box. I think the stylist did a really good job of putting in some really beautiful colors, and overall I'm extremely pleased with this one. If you could take just a second and poke that like button for me, it helps me a bunch. Comment down below. Absolutely love interacting with you guys. That's the funnest part of this whole thing for me. And if you enjoy these types of unboxings, please subscribe. Would absolutely be thrilled and honored if you would subscribe to my channel. Alrighty, that is it. We'll see everybody later and on the next one. Bye-bye and be blessed. Oh boy, I think I might be in trouble with this trunk.